Most drivers believe they know everything there is to know about their cars. After all, they drive them every day, operate the basic controls, and understand the essentials like steering, braking, and refueling. But the truth is, modern vehicles are far more advanced than most people realize. Hidden beneath dashboards, inside software menus, and built into key fobs are dozens of smart features and secret tricks that almost nobody uses. Car manufacturers often include these tools to improve safety, comfort, convenience, and efficiency, yet many of them go unnoticed simply because drivers are never told they exist. In fact, some of the most useful car features are buried so deeply in settings or design that even longtime owners never discover them. Today's vehicles are not just machines that get you from point A to point B. They are packed with advanced technology, sensors, smart systems, and intelligent software designed to make driving safer, easier, and more enjoyable. From hidden remote functions that allow you to control windows or unlock special modes, to advanced safety features that can protect you in emergencies, modern cars are filled with innovations that most people never fully take advantage of. Many drivers spend years behind the wheel without realizing that their car can do far more than they ever imagined. For example, did you know that many cars allow you to remotely roll down all windows before you even step inside? Or that your key fob might contain secret commands that can help you locate your car in a crowded parking lot? Some vehicles have built-in safety tools that can help you escape in emergencies, while others include hidden performance or fuel-saving features that can help you save money over time. There are even secret storage compartments, diagnostic menus, and comfort features that can dramatically improve your driving experience once you know they exist. One of the biggest reasons these features remain hidden is that most drivers never read their owner's manual. While manuals often contain useful information, they can be long, technical, and easy to ignore. As a result, many people miss out on valuable tips that could make their daily driving more convenient and stress-free. On top of that, dealerships and manufacturers rarely explain these features in detail when selling a car, focusing instead on major selling points rather than the smaller hidden tricks that could truly impress owners. Another reason these features go unnoticed is that modern cars are increasingly controlled by software. Many advanced settings and hidden tools are buried inside touchscreen menus, requiring multiple steps to access. Unless a driver intentionally explores these menus, they may never stumble upon these powerful features. Some functions can even be activated through specific button combinations or secret sequences that are never advertised, making them feel like hidden cheat codes for your car. These hidden car tricks are not just fun or impressive. Many of them are genuinely practical and can make a real difference in your daily life. Some can help you save fuel by optimizing engine performance or driving behavior. Others can increase your safety by improving visibility, assisting in emergency situations, or reducing the risk of accidents. Certain features can even help extend the lifespan of your vehicle by protecting key components or improving maintenance awareness. Comfort is another major benefit of hidden car features. Many vehicles include secret settings that allow you to customize seat positions, climate control behavior, lighting preferences, and even driving modes to better suit your personal style. Whether it's adjusting how quickly your doors lock, how mirrors tilt when reversing, or how interior lights behave at night, these small tweaks can transform how your car feels every time you drive it. Beyond convenience and comfort, some hidden car tricks are designed to help in emergency situations. For instance, certain vehicles include built-in escape tools, emergency trunk releases, or safety mechanisms that can protect passengers if something goes wrong. Knowing these features in advance could make a critical difference in a real-life emergency, yet many drivers never learn about them until it's too late, if they ever learn at all. Fuel efficiency is another area where hidden car tricks can have a major impact. Many vehicles offer eco-driving modes, fuel-saving displays, and performance adjustments that can help you get more miles out of every gallon of gas. Some cars can even provide feedback on your driving habits, encouraging smoother acceleration, better braking, and more efficient cruising. Over time, these small improvements can add up to significant savings on fuel costs. There are also hidden features designed to protect your vehicle from theft or damage. Some cars have advanced alarm settings, automatic locking features, or tracking capabilities that many owners never set up. Others include clever tricks that allow you to disable certain controls, hide valuables, or improve vehicle security with minimal effort. Learning these features can give you greater peace of mind, especially in busy urban areas or crowded parking lots. In addition to safety and savings, many hidden car tricks are simply fun and impressive. Imagine showing friends how your car can perform a secret function they've never seen before, or surprising passengers with a comfort feature they didn't expect. Whether it's a cool lighting effect, a hidden storage compartment, or a smart key trick, these small discoveries can make owning a car feel more exciting and rewarding. As cars continue to evolve, they are becoming more like computers on wheels, filled with digital systems that control everything from engine performance to entertainment and navigation. This means there are more hidden features than ever before, and the list continues to grow with each new model year. Yet most drivers only use a fraction of what their car is truly capable of. That's exactly why this video exists. In this video, we'll reveal 17 hidden car tricks and professional tips that can help you get more out of your vehicle. These tips will cover a wide range of useful features, from secret remote functions and comfort upgrades, to safety tools, fuel-saving tricks, and smart convenience hacks that can make everyday driving easier. Whether you're a new driver, a longtime car owner, or someone who simply loves learning new automotive tricks, these tips are designed to help you unlock the full potential of your car. Some of the tricks you're about to learn can help you save money, others can help protect you in emergencies, and some will simply make your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. A few of these tips might even make you wonder how you ever lived without them. By the end of this video, you'll see your car in a completely new way, not just as a tool for transportation, but as a smart machine filled with hidden capabilities waiting to be discovered. So stay tuned, because the tips ahead get more surprising, more useful, and more impressive as we go. And trust us, once you learn these hidden car tricks, you'll never look at your vehicle the same way again. Now let's get into the hidden car tricks that most drivers never discover, even after years of owning their vehicle. These smart features can improve comfort, safety, convenience, and even save you money. First, many cars have a secret key fob trick that allows you to roll down all the windows remotely. By pressing and holding the unlock button, the windows will automatically lower, letting hot air escape before you enter. This is especially useful on warm days when your car has been parked in the sun. Another useful trick involves finding your car in a crowded parking lot. If you press the lock button on your key fob, your car's headlights will flash, and in some models, the horn will beep. This makes it easier to locate your vehicle without wandering around. Here's a small but powerful detail most drivers miss: the arrow next to the fuel gauge icon. This arrow shows which side of the car your gas tank is on. It saves time and prevents awkward moments at gas stations when pulling up to the wrong side. Many vehicles also have a hidden physical key inside the key fob. If your remote battery dies, you can slide out the manual key to unlock the door. This feature is especially helpful in emergencies when electronic systems fail. Some cars include an emergency escape feature built into the headrest. In certain models, the headrest can be removed and used to break a window if you are trapped inside. While it's not widely advertised, it can be a life-saving trick in extreme situations. When reversing, some vehicles automatically tilt the side mirrors downward so you can better see curbs and avoid scraping your wheels. If this feature is disabled, it can often be turned on in the car's settings menu. Your car may also have hidden storage compartments that you've never noticed. These can be found under seats, beneath the trunk floor, or inside side panels. These compartments are great for storing emergency tools, first aid kits, or valuable items out of sight. If your power windows ever stop working properly, there is often a simple reset trick. Holding the window switch all the way down and then all the way up for several seconds can recalibrate the system and fix minor glitches. Many drivers don't realize that sun visors often have extra sliding or extending sections. These can block sunlight coming from the side, making driving more comfortable and reducing glare. Some cars allow you to disable the horn sound when locking the doors. This feature is helpful late at night when you don't want to disturb neighbors. The option is usually found in the car's locking or sound settings. Traction control is another misunderstood feature. While it improves safety in most conditions, turning it off briefly in snow, mud, or sand can sometimes help the car gain traction by allowing controlled wheel spin to free the tires. Rear seats in many vehicles hide extra cup holders, armrests, or storage compartments. These small features can significantly improve passenger comfort during long trips. Another clever tip is using eco mode. When enabled, the car adjusts throttle response and gear shifting to improve fuel efficiency. This can help reduce gas consumption without changing your driving habits. Some cars also include a hidden trunk release handle that glows in the dark. This safety feature allows someone inside the trunk to escape in an emergency, and it's required in many modern vehicles. Automatic door lock settings can often be customized. You can choose to have doors lock when shifting into drive and unlock when shifting into park, increasing both safety and convenience. If your air conditioning seems weak, resetting the climate control system can sometimes improve airflow and cooling performance. This can be done by cycling the system off and on, or through hidden service menus in certain models. Many modern vehicles have secret diagnostic menus that show battery voltage, system status, sensor readings, and more. These menus can help drivers monitor their car's health without visiting a mechanic. Another useful trick involves warming up or cooling down your car more efficiently. Instead of blasting the air conditioner immediately, opening the windows briefly to release hot air can help the AC cool the cabin faster once activated. Finally, some cars allow remote engine start through the key fob or mobile app. This lets you warm up the engine in cold weather or cool the interior before getting inside, making every drive more comfortable. These hidden features prove that cars today are much smarter than most people realize. By learning and using these tricks, you can improve your driving experience, protect your vehicle, and make everyday trips more convenient. Now that you know these hidden car tricks, you'll start seeing your vehicle in a completely different way. What once felt like a basic machine is actually a smart, feature-packed tool designed to make driving safer, more comfortable, and more efficient. Many of these tricks are built into cars from the factory, yet most drivers never discover them simply because they aren't clearly explained. By using even a few of these tips, you can save time, reduce stress on the road, improve fuel efficiency, and even protect your car from unnecessary wear and tear. Whether it's unlocking secret key fob functions, using hidden storage, improving safety features, or learning how to get the most out of your vehicle's technology, these small discoveries can make a big difference in everyday driving. If you found at least one trick useful, imagine how many more helpful tips are still waiting to be discovered. Cars are evolving faster than ever, and new models continue to add smarter, more advanced features each year. Staying informed about these innovations not only helps you become a better driver, but also allows you to get the full value from your vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. It helps support the channel and lets us know you want more content like this. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos packed with hidden car hacks, driving tips, and automotive secrets that most people never talk about. And now we want to hear from you. Which of these car tricks surprised you the most? Did you already know any of them? Or did you just learn something new today? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Your feedback helps shape our future videos and builds a community of smart, informed drivers. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone who owns a car. They'll thank you for it. The more people who know these tips, the safer and more confident everyone can be on the road. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and remember, your car is smarter than you think. Stay tuned for more hidden tips, secret features, and pro driving tricks in our next video.